Hello, my dear viewers. Um, this is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you're watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. I'm sorry I'm late today because there was no power supply here. You see, it's India. Sometimes such problems occur. Um, Guys, I'm your host here. My name is Rakesh, and I'll be showing my key levels of importance for all the major currency pairs. We'll also have a look at few other aspects, and we'll see the market structure also. See, this is my way of analyzing the markets to have an idea where the markets are trying to go. Some people may like it, some people may not like it, but I'm here with still with my levels. Are they useful or not? Only you can judge it by watching my previous webinars if you have time to do so. And since I'm not associated with Dukas Copy, only just that I'm trading with them, and I have no affiliation whatsoever with them, but I'm just using the Dukas Copy trading platform for my own trading. That's all. Yes, I am also using their YouTube platform with their consent for showcasing my own opinions. That's why I'm saying that whatever I'm going to tell you here, it has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. It is my own opinion, my own trading idea, or my own levels that I'm going to discuss with you. Okay. So we will be strictly discussing the price action here in the next few minutes. We'll not talk about anything like what is happening in the news, what is happening in the world. We'll not talk about that. So we will follow the charts for our analysis and will not talk about anything that is fundamental in nature. As I am having a little problem here while connecting to the stream. Just let me know if you can hear me properly. Like I was saying that in this program, we'll only be using the candlestick type of charts to find out the key levels like we are doing every day. There are other types of charts also, but we'll only be using the candlestick type of charts, and we'll draw our key levels just to frame some trades around them in the direction of the current trend. And as and when that current trend changes, we will come to know from the market structure change, and we'll start reversing our positions. Okay, so be with me. Let us see the key levels for this week, and I am sure that you will enjoy this. Although it is monotonous in nature because only I am speaking, but you can make it more interesting by participating in the chat that is live. You can ask questions, you can share your views and ideas. Okay. At the end of the session, I will be asking for any questions from the viewers. So please, if you have any questions or you have any ideas, you can share that in the chat. I'll be very happy to know you or hear from you. Mm, Before I start the session, I must inform you that whatever I'm going to say in this live stream cannot be taken as a trading advice. I'm not authorized to give you any advice. Okay. So please take it as an entertainment or knowledge, or say just to have sharing of ideas. So please do your own research before you trade live in the markets. So yes, hold the responsibility for your profits as well as for your losses. Now, before we begin, let us go through the standard risk disclaimer first, because there is certain risk that is associated with trading the foreign exchange, especially when you are trading on the margin. There is a risk. So you can pause the video there if you want, and then you can go to the charts. Like always, I will be showing you the dollar index first. The volumes are not necessary now because the pattern breakdown has occurred and it is confirmed breakdown. The breakdown is confirmed if this reaction low is taken out. Now the reaction low is taken out, the price closed below it. Then after, when the price tried to go into this area, it was seen as an area of resistance. So the price came again to the downside, and what we are expecting in this is, minimum that I am expecting is 103.62. All right, 103.62 is the minimum that I am expecting in this market. But for this to achieve, the price may go higher and then start coming down. Now from this uh, swing, I'll say, okay, just remove this. From this swing, if you draw your Fibonacci retracements, you will realize that it has not retraced as much as we require. So if the price starts retracing to the upwards, I would like to see it going to at least 105.60, which is ideal, 61.8%, from where I think sellers will be more than happy to go short again to push the prices back towards 103.62. This is what I'm expecting, but I'm not keeping it there, because if they are very aggressive, if the sellers are very aggressive, they can even push the prices right now to 103 and maybe even 102.80. But yes, these are the levels on my chart right now. So if I am bearish on the pound, I am bullish on the, sorry, if I'm bearish on the dollar, then I am bullish on the pound. And you see with the green candles, the volumes are slightly increasing, and we have seen a higher high, higher low, higher high type of pattern forming here in the pound. Now the levels are still intact because this is an inside bar from this day. High of this day was 1.2634 and the low is, okay, 1.2634 and the low was 1.2529. So since the price is trading inside this, so this will be counted as inside bar, or you can also say consolidation. So then what are the levels for us to keep an eye on? 1.2634 on the upside and 1.2465 on the downside, which is the low of the previous candle. Now here is a swing formed already, and here also it's a swing formed, but the price is trying to check if it is able to break this high or not. And I am expecting this to break this high because I am bearish on the US dollar. So even if it rises from here and then break lower, the pound can also come lower and then break higher. So this is anticipated. Let's see how the things unfold. We have an entire week to look for this. What is happening in euro? Euro is showing all its strength, although this channel's resistance line has pushed the prices lower, but still today the price is trying to rise. Now this is also an inside bar. I think tomorrow or day after only we will come to know where the price is headed. So this is also a consolidation pattern forming here. The horizontal level that you should keep an eye on is 1.649 on the downside and 1.0885 on the upside. I think this week one of these levels will be tested at least this week. Australian dollar, very nice trading, 0.6627. Intraday the dollar went lower today. I must show you. Intraday, sorry, Australian dollar went lower today, but then again it was bought back. You see, this is showing the strength of the currency. On the 1 hour you will be even more amazed that the price went lower but was immediately bought back and is trying to go higher. Well, if the prices breaks 0.6651, you can see that on the daily, then the next target is 0.6668, and beyond that it is 0.6748 next target. Yes, but can it go down? Yes, it can go down, but if it starts going down, then 0.6465 is the level that we would like to keep an eye on. Although we are not going to sell this market, we are just waiting for the buying opportunity till the time the price does not trade below 0.6465. All right, this is simple. This is as simple as it is. New Zealand dollar is finding it very difficult to go beyond 0.6015. Now on Friday it found it hard, even today it is finding it very hard. So if the price does not close higher than 0.6015, like I was saying that day, then there's a probability that the price will start going down towards maybe 0.5933 and 0.5852. The price was able to go beyond but failed to close higher. So it is an indication of sellers jumping in here. Now, if the price closes above 0.6015, then the next level of resistance is 0.6083. Keep that also in mind. Now, the price is making higher highs and higher lows, so we can expect a little pullback and then maybe a rise towards 0.6083, which is the next horizontal level on our charts. USD CHF, this was anticipated. Now it looks like price is trying to go higher, but it is not. It is just trying to find some resistance or a reason by the sellers to go short. Now also, if you notice that if you want to go short in this price, it will not be a favorable price to go short here, because the swing has started from here, and if you start retracing, like I said, the 0.62 or 62% is the level from where you should go short. So the price is in a very much, I will say, very difficult for the sellers to go short here, because the stop loss will be very high. So they would like to see the price coming back towards 0.9114, towards 0.9140 maybe, where I think it will be more convenient for the sellers to jump in. So shorting at these prices where the price is headed right now, I think it is not a good idea. So that's why we may see some consolidation, and the price may reach towards 0.9140 before it starts sell off. Okay, so yes, expect that. So on the downside, 0.9010 is your support, and the resistance will be not here but here, 0.9224, and 9110 also not be the support. Now this will be the support, 0.9005. USD CAD, this is the daily. Price is making lower highs and lower lows. This is a bullish pin bar. This is almost an inside bar. So there's also consolidation. So guys, because this is Monday, you can expect a lot of consolidation is going on. Till now, the direction of the market is not clear. So do not, I'll say, do not be in a hurry to open a trade or take a position here. Here, right now, you should not be taking any position. You should be sitting on the sidelines if you are a swing trader. Intraday, yes, you had an opportunity to go short in the USD CAD, but right now for the position trades, if you sell it, you see 1.3632 area is a very good support for the price. It was also a very good resistance in the past. So selling at current prices is not advisable, and the market is in a sell-off mode on the daily. When it comes back to a buying mode, maybe that is the time when you would like to buy this market. So stay away from this market, I will say. USD JPY is also on the similar lines, is first trying to trade lower. Now it is trying to consolidate to the higher levels. Like I said, in the case of both of these, the sellers would not be jumping till the time they test 50% or maybe 62%. So at any cost, I think they should not be selling this market right now. They will be waiting for the prices to go higher and then go short. So I will also suggest you to wait and watch when the price goes higher. Maybe that is the time. So 160.20 on the higher side is the resistance for you, and the support, next support is 150.81. New Zealand CAD, well, the price rose higher. Now today this is again a consolidation. Any rise higher than 0.8248 will open the way for 0.8346. Right now it is a consolidation. Stay away from any trading. Just keep those levels on your chart. Beyond this, it will be a buy. Below this, I think it will be still a sell to the point of 0.8169, but we are not looking for any selling position. We are looking for a buying position because the market is in an uptrend. Bitcoin, like I said, that the Bitcoin will be boom 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 here for a very long time. It looks like it is doing the same. So again, in the Bitcoin also there is no trading. Just stay away from this one. Brent can offer you a very nice trade to the downside. We are expecting 72.33, and even beyond that we are expecting actually 70.15. But on the upside, when I say upside is limited, I'm expecting 84.61 to act as a very good resistance. Now, you know, if that acts as a resistance, the first target will be 81.11, then it will be 76.66, and so on. On the similar line, the gold is also consolidating. Now the price is making lower highs and lower lows on the gold, although I'm expecting it to shift very soon to the upside when it makes a higher high on the daily, and that time you can expect. But right now it is in consolidation. It's trying to trade very close to 23.25 level, which is a crucial level. I would like to see it go beyond 23.25 and then come back to it to test it as a support, and that time I think will be looking for a buying opportunity. Right now it is in consolidation. No trading in consolidation is good, so stay away from this. You can make easy money when the markets are moving, but when it is not moving, when it is consolidating, you can lose a lot of money. So stay away from such markets. This Monday was not worth trading. Whereas in the Nasdaq, you can see there is a breakout. Yeah, in the Nasdaq, there is a clean breakout to the upside today. But should you be buying this market? I'll say no, 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 no. What you should be doing then? Well, you should be looking for an opportunity like this. When it consolidates and comes back close to 38 to 78, you should be looking for a buying opportunity. All right. So keep that in mind. What is the target now? 39,956 is the target in Nasdaq. Sorry, not Nasdaq. I'm sorry for saying Nasdaq. It's Nikkei. Euro JPY. Okay, there are three green candles with the increasingly bigger bodies, although this is of Sunday trade. So again, in the on the similar lines, like there was a displacement downwards, and thereafter we need 62% at least retracement to 168.72 before we go short in this one, or at least 166.94, which is the lower level of the retracement, that is 38.2%. GBP a very nice move towards 1.8590, and I think it will be over within next week. Let's see how the things unfold. Any rise to the upside around 1.9116 should be seen as a selling opportunity. This movement has finally started. CHF JPY, similarly, a rise to 62% of this fall should be seen as a selling opportunity. That's it. Or in New Zealand, a consolidation and then rise up is expected. Once it rises and breaks from this trend line, I think 1.1069 will be exposed. I think we have discussed this one, but on the contrary, if the price starts trading below 1.0974, then you should be looking for the selling opportunities in this market. That's all guys from my side. If you have any questions whatsoever, or any idea or any suggestion or any request, you can do it right now in the chat box, or you can just say hello, and we can see you tomorrow again at 1700 GMT. All right guys, I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember, from the risk point of view, do not risk more than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade. It is not worth it. And look for a potential profit of more than 3 times. If you are not going to get more than 3 times of whatever you are risking, there is no need to take that trade. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can also leave your suggestions in the comment section, and please consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. Bye bye. Take care.